marching. Okay. Yeah.
गर्म हो रहा है.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Everybody's marching. Minal ba, uba thao. Minal ben, uba thao. Preeti આવી ગયા છે. Are you all happy to see me? Then I want to see the smile. Can I see more of the people? Is it possible? Yeah, change it. I'll just keep myself looking here. Okay. Yeah. How is everybody? There you go. Oh, I cannot see myself. Now, remember the left nostril. Activate the left nostril. Hold the right nostril. Beautiful. Welcome Malini Ben. Welcome Rachri Sheikh. Welcome Sunanda. Whatever I can see. Welcome Minal. Welcome Jessica. Welcome Irene. Nice, nice one. Today is the most easiest day I've given you because of all of you did the 6-day challenge. Today, I'm going to give you the best stretch workout and you are going to love it. Once you're done, stop breathing from the left nostril. It's already registered. Body got connected to it. So now I will keep on breathing in and out through your left nostril. Meanwhile, we are rolling our arms and sideways. Sideways, very good. Very good. And our both arms, keep it straight and just go tiny pushes. We are stretching. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Beautiful, beautiful. Very good, very good. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Okay, let's give a tiny bit of a jog or a warm-up march, but a quick one. Just a tiny bit. So we can go on the side of our mat, then running sideways. If you do sideways, see, it works this way. What we're doing is also sending all our lymphatic nodes a message that the body is moving. So start pumping. So let's pull our ears. Pull, 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 pull. Go around. Go around. And then rub our hands like this. We all know that there are a lot of points in our hands, right? Which is connected to the internal organs. So do that. Kick our butt. Slowly, but try to touch your butt. Kick your butt. While rubbing, going like this. Now rub your back hand, your palm, back palm. This is all a whole nother science. How do we activate? So rub your back palm. All this, honestly, we can do it while we're watching TV also. Are you touching? Trying to touch your butt? Kick the butt. Very good, very good, very good. So today we are going to start with our stretches. And what I have done is I specially made a video of all these stretches with all the counts. So all you have to do is turn it on. I think the video is 25 minutes. So the actual exercise, the warm-up stretches are not more than 20 minutes, which I strongly recommend you to do it every single day before my workout or when you're doing your own workout. So I'm going to grab one thing. Till then, quickly march, and I'm going to explain you the science of it. Does everybody have a chair? Does everyone have a chair close by?
Yes.
Okay, because my chair is over here. So my first warm up is I'm going to, just for the fun of it, hold your leg. If you need support, and then go back and forth, back and forth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You continue. Now I am going to switch it to the other side. Grab it and then go back and forth. The hamstring are getting stretched. Your quads are getting stretched. I hope you're feeling it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I started doing it without it, but as soon as I grabbed this, then I could feel the real stretch. So this time it's not about your balancing or anything, but it is actually feel the right thing at the right time. So when you feel that, oh, I can do it in a balance, the stretch is gone. So whenever I suggest to you that please use that, then please use it. Because I've tried both ways. So now what we are going to do, we are going to warm up our neck and our cervical joint. So for that, take 2 thumbs. I hope everybody can see thumbs. Put it underneath your chin. And then thumbs together. And all we are doing is 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Now, we'll go hands behind our head. And then we go down like this. 1. Don't come all the way up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up. Now, what we are going to do is, anything what you do, if you feel that, oh, I'm more sore, then do it more counts. Okay. So now, the third one is, we go right, front, left, front, right, front, left, front, right, front, left, front, 5, front, right, 6, right, 7, right, 8, right, 9, and right. Very good. Very good. Now, we are going to rotate over. Please, everybody, please put yourself on mute. We're going to rotate our head. So we'll start from right, going down, and coming up. 5 of right, 2, 3, 4, Last one, 5. Come back up. Now 5 up left. So tilt on your left hand side. Not too much. Never hyperextend it. Do not mess around with any of these kind of body parts. Just do it very lightly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now, what we're going to do is, instead of taking the head sideways, we're going to take it diagonally down. So hold it from the back side and press it till it's diagonal. One hand at the back, like this, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly come up. Very good. Very good. From this part, we will go to our shoulders and our elbow. So for that, what we're going to do first is the elbow rotation. The elbow rotation, when we do it, we make it a point. We do an exercise elbow rotation. Right now, we are not doing an exercise elbow rotation. We're doing a stretching warm-up. So it has no value of putting any pressure, but going very, very lightly like this, Siddhi. See, 1, very lightly, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about your legs working out. When we do our stretching, it is totally only for stretching only. So that way we are not that much sore, our body is warmed up, and each and every part gets a message that we are going to work out. Now this is called air cutting. So air cutting is, fingers are like this, straight, on top of each other. When we cut, it goes on top of each other. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. Now, left hand at the back, touching like this. Hold the elbow and push the elbow back. So this is going to move. It cannot be straight. So go like light touch and move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Next hand. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, we are pushing it. Very good. Very good. Once that is done, my favorite elbow stretch is, your hands can be at the back like this or over here. So what I'm going to do with one hand, I'm going to do it here. So all of you do that. The second hand will put it back. So wherever you feel it. Again, if you don't even feel anything, it's okay. You're not supposed to feel anything. Take it like that. So now hold your elbow and move it forward. 1, 2. And all the women carry their stress on their shoulders. So these exercises are very, very good to loosen up the shoulder blade. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now in this one, I'm going to put my hand at the back and I'm going to hold my elbow and try to move my elbow in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So this was an amazing shoulder stretch. Now we are going to do our tricep For tricep, we take our elbow at the back, same way. Tag it, and now just move this elbow back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Second hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, very good, very good. Now, our bicep. So arms straight, arms are straight, no bending of the elbow, otherwise you're not going to feel it. As soon as the arms are straight, send your palms at the back. Send your palms at the back and go back and forth just with the palms first. 1, 2. This is a beautiful stretch for the bicep arms and the forearms. 3, 4. If you're hurting, stay there. 5, 6, 7. Fingers are all connected. 8, 9, 10. Now, what we're going to do is 10, taking it back and bringing it only a little bit in the front. Not here, just here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This was your bicep. Now the side stretch. Side stretch, we've always done it, but let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do a beautiful lower back stretch. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, very good, very good. Now we are going to stretch our lower back, our spine. So to do that, what we need to do is, I'm going to come closer so you guys can see it. Take your thumbs and behind your spine. I hope you can see it. Right? Right here. The lower back. Now, push that point. Press it. 1, 2. Same point. Don't move it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now go one more, few inches above. You can go a little bit inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more point up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you felt it? You felt the points? So that's what we are trying to stretch our lower back. Now we will do our front extension. For the front extension, I'm going to use my chair again. What I'm going to do is, the chair is right here. My hands are like this. And I'm going to go back till my spine is not straight. See, straight line like this. And my head is in between my hands. So, first look at what I'm saying and then we'll do it together. So stand up everybody. I will give you enough time. So, like this. And then all I'm doing is 1, 2, 3. So remember, we do a lot of bending down exercise. So this is a warm up for that. So hands in between your head in between your hands, and we go tiny bit down. 1, 2, 3. Do not bend your knees. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Good job. Good job. So proud of you. Very good. Let's move the chair again. You know what? I'm going to do one more arm exercise for you. So we go like this, and we go back. Then we come back, and then we go back. But when we go back, we also look at the back. Then we come back. Ready? 1. This is a beautiful rotation, but do not stop it. Let it go with one flow. 3. Make sure you look at back to 5, 6, 7, 8. You will notice that automatically your stomach is going in. 9. Let it happen. You don't make an effort for warm up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Come back, come back. Very good. So see how smoothly it went? So it's helping with your rotation, your shoulder blades. Everything is getting warmed up. Loosen up. Now, check this out. So, first check it out. It's when I'm going down, you slowly go down as much as you can. Let's say you can go only till here. That's fine. Dangle like a rag doll, as if there is nothing there. So you're dangling. Nothing is moving. Now what's moving, you know what? Only bend your knees. Right, left, right, left. Got it, everybody? Okay? So, let's all go down. Go down as much as you can. And then let yourself dangle. And bend your knees. Right bend, left bend. Right bend, left bend. 3, 4, 5, 6 bend, 7 bend, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very slowly come up, come up. So what are we warming? We were warming our hamstrings, our knees, everything. Right? Now, I want both your legs a little bit far apart. Hands up, hands up. Now slowly come down as much as you can. Now push your hands inside 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back up. Again go down. Push 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up. One more time down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up. Come up. That's it. Come back. Now, we are going to learn how to take care of our knees. So first, legs together. Bend your legs. Bend your legs. Hold your knees and rotate it. So rotate in one direction 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up. Now, we will hug our knees one at a time. 1 hug, 2 hug, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, very good. Now, what we will do is we will bring our knee up sideways. 1. Pull it sideways. 2. Bring it up first and go side. 3. Up, side. 4. Up, side. 5. Up, side. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. See, we are covering so many things. Let's bring our chair one more time. Now, we're going to hold our chair and we're going to warm up our inner thighs. But again, it's not an exercise, so don't tighten up your muscles. That's what I meant. So leg is like this, first one, and then you go just like this. 1, like a pendulum. 2, 3, 4. Again, don't put any pressure, no value to it, just a swing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Very good. Now we can do it on the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more warm up and we are done. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now what we are going to do is we are going to hold it like this and we are going to go straight now. 1. So you can go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing it. 9, 10. Very good. Very good. Another leg. Anytime you're going out for a walk, this last 2 leg exercise, stretch, is very, very important. It's very important to begin with all these stretches to begin with before you start the class. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now our last exercise. Last exercise, you have done it every time. You're going to do it again. Up on your toes, up on your heel. Toes, heel. 3, heel. 4, heel. 5, heel. 6, heel. 7. Now you can start going a little backward and giving little more stretch to the calf. 8, 8, up. So when you go back with the heel like this, 9 and 10. Very good. So proud of you. You guys did it. Let's move over the chair. And let's take your stick. I'm going to do only 2 exercises today. We are going to use our stick. Let's see how it works. Before we start that, I wanted to show you guys, these are clothespin. If you look at it, how do you see it? Clothespin. Can everybody see the clothespin? Yeah. So these are clothespin. So if you can arrange for clothespin by next class, because I'm going to teach you guys how to balance our hormones. As a woman, our hormones are all jacked up every stage of our life. Right from the day we start getting our menstruation, our periods, then comes the baby, then comes menstruation, PMS, then comes the baby, then comes the postpartum, then comes perimenopause, then comes menopause. We are totally at a loss. So I had to do a lot of research for myself and I stumbled into something possible. There are a lot of research and a lot of things are there. But something which is possible, which I can do it to maintain and see if the hormones will change. So again, as I said, I'm just one of you. So we'll start this journey of how to balance your hormones together. So our first exercise, hold the stick in front of you. We're doing lateral lunges, but holding the stick. So see, 1, up, 2, up, let the stick bend, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9. If you like the stick exercises, we can one day do a whole standing first hour of our class is our stick exercise. Let me know what you think. 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I just wanted you to see that if you can do that or not. So we can go like this. Stick is up. A little bit at the back. Come down. Back. Come down. For 5, we will go slow. 3, 4, 5. Now we'll go other 15, other 10 very fast. 1, 2, 3. Do not bend your arms. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One smooth motion. No jerking at all. Bars and Pilates do not believe in giving any kind of jerk movement. So do not jerk it. So arms are straight and they are, look how wide they are. They're making a Y shape. Last 3, last 2, and last 1. Very good, very good. Now bring the arms a little closer and you're going to go like this. Bring it here. But when it's here, it only goes in that same line here and same line here. Doesn't come down. Okay? Ready? We'll start from our left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're working on our rotation, but because of the stick, it is helping us keep our form. Now for the last 10, look in the front only. Everybody stop. Look in the front. When you go side, only the arms go on the side. Do not let your whole upper face go on the side. Okay? So that way only the torso will work. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We did it! Yay! Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so we'll keep the stick away now for today. And if you like it, I can do a whole exercise just with sticks. I know people in India, because of the lockdown, are having a hard time with weights. So I'm going to postpone the weight thing, but slowly we will insert it. We're not missing out, trust me. All our exercises, we're not missing out anything. So, real quickly, we'll start our Surya Namaskar. Today, we are going to hold Surya Namaskar every position only for 2 counts. Okay? So, it might be a little quick. So, let's do one thing. We haven't done Surya Namaskar for a while. First time, both the legs, we will do 5 counts. Second time, right leg and left leg, we will do with 2 counts. Correct? So, totally, we are doing 4 Surya Namaskar. So, everybody in the first position of Namaste. And you know what? Any position bothers you, skip it. Skip it. It will come to you. Maybe it's not ready. You're not ready for it. It's okay. You don't have to prove it to him. There's no certification to be given. Be happy and be proud of yourself that you are here today. You signed up, you turned your TV on, your Zoom on, and you're here. You won half of the battle. Ready? First position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second position, up. First up straight. Look a tiny bit back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bend your knees, and then go down. Go down, bend your knees. Keep your knees bent first. Touch the mat. If you want to keep your knees bent, keep your knees bent. That's okay. And bring your nose towards your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now remember, your knees are bent. You're touching the mat. Slowly bring your right leg back and your same leg, knee on the ground. Now lift up your left knee. Bring it a little bit in the front. So it's 90 degrees. And your left leg has to be in between your palms. Look up straight and glide a little bit in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly send your left leg back. So both the knees are touching the ground. Once your knees are touching the ground, lift up. So don't curl up your toes. Stand up in a plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bring your knees back. Move, change your feet position. Send your hip back and come back and rest your chest and your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Legs straight, and slowly come up in a cobra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before you change anything, curl up your toes first. Toes curl up. And then stand up to downward dog. Move your leg. Move your hands if you need to. Your head is in between your biceps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now touch your right leg. Lift it up. Bring it in between your arms, your both palms, and rest your left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Curl up the toes of the left leg. Stand up. Bring it down. Knees are bent. Nose is going towards the knees. And slowly, both arms coming up. 1, 2, looking up. 3, 4, 5. Now both heads come on your side. Very good. Again, we will do it with the left side. So, then, namaste. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we're going to do it. Breathe in and breathe out. So, let's prepare ourselves. Both hands up, looking up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now going down, bend your knees. Bend your knees. It's okay. I did the research. It's okay right now to bend your knees. Don't have. Eventually, it's straight leg and touching the mat. But if you have to bend your knees, bend your knees. Nose going towards the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this time, move your hands in the front. Left leg goes at the back. Bring your right leg and rest your left leg. Glide the left glute little bit in the front. Look straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now slowly send your right leg back. See, both the knees are still touching the ground. And once you get your position with your hands and everything, curl up your toes and then come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come down. Both the knees are down. Flatten your toes. It's all about curling up and flattening your toes also. Glide your glute back to your heels. Now slowly come up and rest your chest, chin. And then if you cannot do that, you just come up directly. Go to this position or go to cobra like this. So then you come to cobra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now once cobra is done, you go to downward dog. So move your legs. Move your legs the way you're comfortable with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now right leg in the front. No, left leg in the front. Again, make sure you move it. If you have to need help, move it. Remember, the right glute is a little bit flat like this. And both the hands are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly curl up the right leg and bring the right leg to the front. Bend your knees. Hands are touching the mat. Nose is towards the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up, 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 up. Looking up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come down. Very good, very good. Now we will do the whole thing with 2 counts. It's easy. Don't worry. Don't think about it. Just listen to what I'm saying and do exactly. Any position you skip, go to the next one. Or stay wherever you want to stay. Ready? 1, 2. Second position, hands up. 1, 2. Come on down. Bend your knees and stay there. Nose to the knees. 1, 2. Right leg back. Knees on the mat. Hands between the palms. Looking up. 1, 2. Now rest left leg back. Both the knees up on the mat. Now lift up, curl up the toes, lift up the knees. 1, 2. Very good. Now, after that, now bring both the knees down. Flatten your things. It's chaturanga. Chest is there. Elbows are back. 1, 2. Cobra. Come up straight. Come up. 1, 2. Curl up your toes. Come to downward facing dog. Fix your legs. Eventually the toes need to come. So for the toes to touch the ground, repeat. You need to do is bring your legs, walk your legs in the front. 1, 2. Now right leg in the front, lift it up if you have to. Lift up, put it in between both the arms. As soon as you're bringing this, left knee is automatically on the ground. Look in the front, 1, 2. Next, left leg comes in the front, knees are bent if you have to, or knees straight. Looking nose to the knees, 1, 2. Come on up, stay there, 1, 2. And let it go. Wasn't that bad? We'll get it. Again, now left leg, 2 counts. I'm purposely giving you more instructions so that way our foundation gets stronger. No rush to go. Ready? Namaste. 1, 2, second position, looking up, 1, 2, third position, going down, nose towards the knees, 1, 2, left leg back, left knee on the floor, right knee 90 degrees between both hands, looking straight up, 1, 2, right leg back, both the knees are on the floor, always do that, and then curl up and lift up the leg into a plank, 1, 2, now come down, get rid of your curling up, now hips glides back to the heels, come in the front, and stay right there, chest, 1, 2, now come up for a cobra, 1, 2, curl up your toes, come up to downward facing dog, walk your leg inside, and try to rest your feet. That's a downward facing dog, 1, 2, and then left leg in the front, between both the hands, looking straight up, 1, 2, right leg in the front, knees are bent, nose is towards the knees, slowly both arms come up, looking up, 1, 2, and come back. See, we did it. Good job. Next time, we will start only with 2 counts now. Okay? So let's sit down and let's do some sitting exercise and then we go do our chanting. So, before we start doing our sitting exercise, challenge of the week. Can I see everybody? Challenge of the week. Everybody's on mute, so keep it on mute only. And if you accept it, just give me a thumbs up. Our last week's challenge was a physical exercise, right? To improve ourselves physically. And on one-on-one basis, I have got amazing response of people. It has boosted their confidence, their whatever it is, all of the above, everything. It has got an amazing, people have lost inches, people feel good. So many people have written they are feeling very energetic. Are you ready for this week's challenge?
Yes.
Are you ready for this week's challenge? Okay. So the last week's challenge was physical. This week's challenge is from today till next class we meet, not next class, like a week after that. Today, it's Monday evening here. In India, it's Tuesday morning. So till Tuesday morning, we are going to have every single day 1 hour of silence, 1 hour of Maun Vrat. Do whatever you need to do. You can watch TV if you think, wherever you want to do it. But I'm sure in that 1 hour, that 10 minutes, it might click and to find yourself. For some people, it might be very easy. But the string to it is, you don't have to do that 1 hour of challenge of silence or Maun Vrat when you are sleeping or when you're all alone in your shower time. It has to be at a time where it is very challenging for you to be quiet. You have to decide. It is your journey. It is totally your journey. It is my journey for myself. So I have to decide. I cheat, it is my problem or my thing. So no, you're not answerable. That's the best part. Especially if you're not answerable and nobody's watching you, that's where you come in. That's where your mind comes in. And remember, I told you, what was our mantra? I am the boss of our mind. So every day, your 1 hour, maybe the hour might change. Maybe today you might feel that, okay, today my 1 hour is in the morning time. But in the evening, when your husband's home and your children are home and you feel, you know what? This situation is not going in the right direction. Boom, go into your silence. First, explain it to your family that you have, this is your challenge given by me, make me the bad guy. So they will respect that. And you decide, maybe you want to do it twice a day. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It's not about keeping score. Can we do it? You think we can do it? I want to find that internal self for ourselves. Can we do 1 hour of silence? I see a thumbs up. Oh, wow. I see everybody having a thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. So that's going to be also, remember, this class is a complete class. This class is also about physical activity. This class is about internal organs through yoga. And this class is about meditation. That's where we find our peace. And that's where we have to find our demons also. You know, we have a lot of demons in ourselves too. So now we have to start facing them. So everybody, 1 hour of silence. Thank you. Let's start quickly. Our favorite Chakrasana. Ready? I'm facing my right side 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember to connect your toes so that way the legs don't move too much. 7. Start going up half an inch back. 8. Little more. 9 and 10. Quickly on the left side. 1, 2, 3. Tiny bit back. 4, 5, 6. When you're going left, give a nice left turn. 7. Right, then give a nice left. Because this is an overall. 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Quickly, hands up. Toes, hands are together, legs are together, and your toes are facing towards you. Ready? The first goal is to touch the toes. As soon as you conquer that, then the goal is to touch behind the toes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend a little more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, very good. Now let's quickly do a butterfly. Butterfly is a very important, even in the stretch. It is part of the stretch, full body stretch, and it helps with thyroid. So people who have thyroid should make this their best friend. While you're watching TV, keep on rolling it. 3, 4, 5, 6, big roll. 7, lift it up. 8, 9, and 10, and a big smile. Very good, very good. We'll start our pranayam. So today's song, I've chosen a bhajan today. I don't know, I just felt connected to this bhajan, so I've chosen that as our meditation. So we all have something or the other going wrong in our life, in our body, all of the above, right? Problems. or challenges. And sometimes it just comes and we have to face it. And sometimes it is our nature who creates all these problems. It is us who create all these bubbles. I call them monster bubbles. That, for example, if I say that, oh, I just can't travel without first class. I will not travel. What is this? Who created that? I created that bubble. So whose loss is that? If I cannot afford going um, first class, and if I have to adjust with business class or economy, and if I don't, so that's my loss. I'm missing out on the events wherever I can attend. Or, oh, I definitely, oh, I only use Chanel's, and I can't even fathom that I cannot get a new spring collection or new summer collection. Again, this is my bubble. That's materialistic wise. The other ways, so we create basically a lot of our own monsters. I call them my own monster. And I constantly have to work and realize, oh, this is my created monster. Oh, my friend, why did my friend did not say this? It is your mind who wants the answer. You already have an answer in your mind. Why are you expecting that from your friend? Right? So these, whatever challenges your nature, I really like this song. And a lot of people have some way bigger challenges, some deaths in their family, close one, best friend, so many things. So maybe you will connect the song with that, but try to connect with the song. So when the song is going on, I want you to connect to even your negativeness and see how you can change it. Go into that little ugly zone. You know how we always go to our happy zone? Sometimes it's okay to go into that ugly zone to eradicate that ugly zone. Till you do not bring the ugly zone out, how will you know? And please do not try to justify yourself that no, no, you behave like that. It is that person's fault. No justification. Just face it. Okay. So we'll start with our pranayam real quickly. Shoulder shrugs real quickly. Deep breath in, hold the breath, and 10 shrugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly relax. We're going to do Ujjayi breath. Hands over here. Remember, from the base of your throat. Ready? Deep, normal deep breath in and out. Normal deep breath in. Deep breath out. Now with Ujjayi breath. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. Through. 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Use your base. Use your base. Out. 2, 3. Make the sound. The roughing sound. 6. Hold. 2. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. We're going to sound should be like this. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2. Last one. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2. Slowly release. Get ready for Vastrika. Arms on the side. Soft thing. We will do about 20 of it. Whenever I say speed up, please speed up. And when I say stop, just bring your hands on your palm and slowly observe. Observe the dance going on in your body. And just love that feeling. Ready? Fist, soft fist. You open up the fist when you go, when the arms go up. Normal deep breath in and out. Ready? Deep breath in. Forceful breathing out and focus only on the breathe out. 4. Faster. Faster. 5 more. Slowly, slowly come back. Open your arms on your lap. Eyes closed. Now, slowly we'll do one set of Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati, go to Surya Mudra, go to Prana Mudra, tip of the fingers, the ring finger, the little finger, and the thumb. The tips are together. And we have to breathe in and forceful breathe out by stomach going in and out. Okay, today we are going to do only one set. Ready? Deep breath in. Five, four, three, two, one. We did 30. Now slowly deep breath in. Release the breath with chest touching the chin touching the chest. No more breathing in and out. Hold the breath. Get the stomach in. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze the stomach. Squeeze the glute. Squeeze, keep on squeezing. Send all your attention to squeezing the glute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release it. Now, Anulom Vilom. So, right nostril close. You can do, let's do Surya Mudra, ring finger bend, and press it with the thumb. So, that's one hand doing that. And now, hold the left nostril, breathe in through the right, breathe in. Lock both the nostrils, breathe out through the left. Inhale left, lock both the nostrils, exhale right. Inhale right, lock, exhale left. Inhale left, lock, exhale right. Inhale right, lock, exhale left. Inhale left, long, exhale right, inhale left, right, long, long exhale left, long one, inhale right, long, long exhale left, inhale left, long, exhale right, left, inhale left, long. Last time, exhale right, inhale right, long, exhale left, inhale left, long. Slowly release it. Very good. We are going to do the lion mudra, lion pose, which is excellent for your thyroid. So definitely need to do it. Hands like this. We're going to breathe in, and while breathing in, we look up, eyes roll up on the ceiling, and the tongue comes out making a sound, big lion roaring sound. Ready? Deep breath in. Look up. Slowly come back. Look in the front. The goal is every time
See if you can stick a tiny bit of the tongue outside. Ready? And then after Brahmi, we sit down for meditation. Ready? Deep breath in. Slowly come back. So it is also an exercise for your eyes because now you're looking up and you're holding that look for a long time. So that's also an exercise for your eyes. Let's do Brahmi. Brahmi improves our concentration. It gives that happy feeling. So I love Brahmi. It also helps people having high blood pressure. Cross your legs, thumbs over here, pressing it, deep breath in, cover your eyes with this and making a humming bee sound with your closed lips. Ready? Deep breath in. Slowly let go. One more time. Deep breath in. Slowly let go. Very good. Today we are only going to do 3 times Om of the long O, and we will dive into meditation because I'm sorry I'm running late. Ready? Deep breath in. The louder you bring it from your stomach, the more positive vibrations will come out. Again, deep breath in. Last time, deep breath in.
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे गढ़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय कोई चढ़ा है, लाएगी रंग मेहनत बीच जो पड़ा है, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, हर काम उसके रहते हरगिज़ हुआ पड़ा है, कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ, कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ, हजारों कदम बढ़ाने वो सामने खड़ा है, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
Keep your eyes closed. Go through your own emotions. While your eyes is closed, all I want to say is that this COVID has brought all of us together, and I think 80 to 90%, I don't even know you all, or neither do I, do you know me, or do you know the whole group? But this COVID has brought us together. So my thing to say, keep your eyes closed, keep your eyes closed, relax, relax. My thing to say is that let's hold each other's hand and let's all be together on this journey. There is a reason why we must all be chosen to be together from all around the world. So let's hold on to that thought that God might have found a reason to connect all of us, and we're all there for each other. We will cross this beautiful life of bridge together. So मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, but मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, and all our khudas are in you only. We have to find our khuda in each other also. So slowly rub your hands. Eyes are closed. Big smile, big happy smile. Everything's going to be positive from now on. And tap it on your eyelid. On your face. Not forget to say thank you to your body. Very important. Give a big hug and say thank you, body. Yes, we have legs everywhere. And namaste.
Namaste.
Quick reminder, please, next week, clothespin, very important. Clothespin, if you can, order it on Amazon if you don't have it. Okay. Namaste.
Thank you. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Preeti.
dear.
Thank you. Thank you, Preeti.
Thank you.
I had to teach today. I had to teach stretches. So we did not do a lot of hard cardio workout. But this stretch was very important for everybody. It's posted on YouTube. Especially, I created the video today. It's already posted on YouTube. So do not forget to hit subscribe and a thumbs up, and then use the check the video out.
Thank you, Preeti.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good class.
Stretch. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pinky.
Thank you, Pinky. Oh wow!
Thank you, Pinky Didi.
Thank you.
Wow, Bhai, you attended. I'm proud of you. Thank you, Reshma. Asha. Thank you, Neelam.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Preeti.
Thank you, Prityanti.
Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Dipali.
Thank you, Preeti.
Thank you, જ્યોતિ કાકી તમે જોઉં છો મને બાપ રે ઓ માય ગોડ જ્યોતિ કાકી લવ યુ
એનો
જ્યોતિ
ફોન
કાકી
મ્યુટ છે એનો ફોન મ્યુટ માં છે.
થેન્ક યુ રૂપા થેન્ક યુ સંધ્યા કામદાર
Thank you.
very much a big hug to you okay love you Aarti Malini Ben thank you Raja thumbs up Asha ji namaste thumbs up Sunanda kashi आहेस
आम्ही बरी आहेत.
हाय थैंक यू हेतल
Thank you.
हाँ ज्योति काकी केम છો
જ્યોતિ કાકી અનમ્યુટ કરો. કાનું અનમ્યુટ કર માસીને. She would love to talk to you, Pinky.
no
She is talking but she is not aware that it's mute.
હા એ લોકો કાનું કરી દેશે તો થાય એને.
પણ એ નહીં હોય એમાં.
ફોન કર દે કાનૂન અચ્છા તમારા
નીપા તારી ડોક તો તારી ડોક તો ડક્કી જેવી થઈ ગઈ છે. એકદમ પતલી પતલી ડક્કી.
are you doing chin exercise
Huh?
are you doing the chin exercise
Yeah.
હા see effect આવી ગયો
બહુ સરસ લાગે છે યાર. What's wrong with you? Don't look so good early morning.
no who's talking heroine
આપણી હિરોઈન ને જોવાનું હોય ને એટલે.
Not allowed, not allowed.
I'm so glad you're doing the chin exercise see,
Yeah, even I'm doing.
Yeah.
I've got little bit here, but I think it should go. Little bit
but
only I
very,
have.
very you have to do the chin exercise Nipa
Yeah, I
Kaki
got
chin
to.
jo. Very
very,
careful
very
huh
Yeah, yeah.
very otherwise it will damage your cervical joint so do not overdo it I'm
yeah,
very
very-
scared
Very smoothly, nicely, like it's happening. It'll take time, but it'll go.
good
Yeah.
today the I did simple stretches because these stretches are so important
Stretches only will work.
અને 1 કલાક મને યાર ઓછો પડે છે so much
અરે બાપા, બધા બેભાન થઈ જશે, બેભાન.
pranayam I had to skip right I had to skip pranayam I had to do only one set so I want to give
Yeah.
proper justification to pranayam then I also people's biggest problem is the fat in the stomach so and the thighs so I want to
Biggest problem of the stomach.
I want to do that exercise also the upper body કેમ કે ઘણાના arms બહુ જાડા હોય and when you're doing upper body it also affects the stomach and the legs also
Yes, it
Chalo,
does.
I'll come up still I will try to come up with a better plan where we can get everything
Are you
Ek
posting
ghanta
the recording? Pinky, આજનું recording? Very
yes.
nice. આજનું.
yeah
Please
I
do.
will post today's
Very
record Huh. but I created a full body stretch video specially so it is already
Okay.
posted and it will say under full body stretch
Okay. And Pinky, only for the stomach. Can you just do like one video only for the stomach? Because then your focus is only on stomach, like that.
I can do that but
People
you
have a
know
big
that
belly. People have big belly.
no I understand but you know that you cannot spot
Yes.
exercise that doesn't work
Okay.
I
Okay.
will definitely create something with
But
a
it requires the
combination.
whole body. It requires the whole body motion. I think, yeah.
Yeah.
And above all, it requires this.
ઈ સૌથી પહેલા ઈ છે.
ગઈકાલે
To be one of the ladies, she lost 3 pounds. She gave
ગઈકાલે I
up.
did. ગઈકાલે પાપ કર્યું મેં પાછું. I'm feeling so guilty.
ગઈકાલે મારે નિધિની બર્થડે હતી કેટલી કેક ખવાણી હશે વિચાર કરો
Oh my God.
તમે નહીં ખાધી હોય. I know.
You didn't eat, Pinky?
Of course not. I ate. I'm one of you. I'm not that kind. મેં એક કપકેક બી ખાધી અને રેડ વેલ્વેટ કેક બી ખાધી અને એ બી ઉપરની ક્રીમ સાથે
Maybe same thing I did. Same thing. Yesterday, yesterday were 2 birthdays from my friend. The one in the building and one my niece. So they sent me cake and I just couldn't. I just indulged in it. I'm feeling so bad now.
ચાલે કાકી જ્યોતિ
હજી
કાકી
mute જ છે. Mute માં જ છે.
બિચારા I know, but she would love to see you. Yeah, she would love to talk to you, but I don't know how.
કાકી કાકી કાનુને કયો તમારો ફોન મ્યુટ કરી દે કાકી.
કાકી તમને સંભળાય છે? જ્યોતિ
ડોકી
કાકી.
હલાવો.
I don't think એને સંભળાતું છે.
પતિએ કાનુને કયો કે તમારો ફોન મ્યુટ કરી દે કાકી.
તું એને ફોન કર.
Oh my God, big one. Come here. It's right here. It's right here. Downstairs. અહીંયા તો આવ. જબરી.
Pinky, I loved the video over and over.
કયો?
The one Nidhi's.
Oh, નિધિનો બધા બનાવ્યો ઈ ને?
I loved it.
So sweet.
So cute. Yeah, it is so cute.
Good idea ને?
Yeah.
Very good idea. It was so sweet.
બધા અલગ-અલગ કેમ કે ક્વોરન્ટાઇન એટલે બધા પોતપોતાના ઘરે.
હા હા.
કરણ સાઉથ કેરોલાઇનામાં, રાજુ ન્યુયોર્કમાં. બધા
I recognized only some of you, but like I didn't know who was Raju, you know, because I've heard so much.
I talk
Yeah, I've
about
heard so much.
you a lot. Remember that I talked about Raju to you a lot.
That's
My friend Raju who is single. Yeah, that
I know.
हाँ, तो she is in yellow dress.
Yellow dress. Okay, I'll see again, you know, because I couldn't see. I saw many faces, but I saw only few of them I could recognize, you know.
Yeah, she's
Very
she's
nice
awesome.
video.
You know, Neha's
રાજુ ને મળીશ તો તને થશે કે હાય
મસ્ત છે એકદમ મસ્ત છે. મસ્ત છે.
Really?
Yeah. આપણા જેવી છે એકદમ મસ્તી ગાડી.
I said, okay.
તને રાજુ ને થઈને જે વિધવા ના હોય એમ થાય કે હું વિધવા થઈ જાઉં.
Really? Then I must meet her
One day.
one day.
Yeah.
આવશું સાથે. અમે ઇન્ડિયા ઘણી વાર સાથે આવ્યા છે.
Yeah.
One day.
હવે તો ભાભી અહીંયા લોકડાઉન ખુલી ગયું છે. બધું નોર્મલ થવા માંડ્યું.
અમારે તો રાયટ ચાલે છે. લોકડાઉન ની ક્યાં વાત છે?
I know.
તો અમારે કર્ફ્યુ ચાલુ થઈ ગયા.
You know, Pinky, I received one video that they were looting the Louis Vuitton shop. Was it true?
તો કાલે અમારું જે લુઈ વુટન નું મોલ છે ને, અને that is a closer town to us. એટલું દૂર નથી અમારા ઘરથી, 15 મિનિટ દૂર છે. ત્યાં આખું કર્ફ્યુ કરી because they were afraid કે આ લોકો આવીને, that is one of the richest mall, તો આ લોકો આવીને ત્યાં લૂટશે.
Because I received a video, it was so scary. They broke open Nipa and bધી bags લઈ ગયા, full.
Oh.
Huge, yes.
એટલે પછી ડબલ અર્થ નો they are taking ફાયદા of the poor person.
Yeah.
કરોડો રૂપિયાનો માલ લઈ ગયા યાર.
Yeah.
It was like અને in Bombay it's become worst, Pinky.
Bombay ખૂબ worst
No,
થઈ ગયું છે.
nothing. We are in fact, it's worse than ever. We have 45,000 cases just in Bombay. Bombay, we are stuck in the house. We do not go anywhere. And yesterday, I mean, day before yesterday, I'm sorry to share this, but my sister Jolly, my real sister, in a jet passed away in just 3 days.
Because of this?
મારી બેનના સગા જેઠ.
Because of COVID?
Yes.
Oh.
Just in 3 days.
Oh my God.
It was so scary.
like you?
Sorry?
એમને કોવિડ કેમ રીતે લાગ્યું?
એને છે ને, he was walking in the terrace અને પછી he went down couple of times to get things or something, you know, and he was heavily diabetic. People kept telling him not to step out, you know. So એને પછી કઈ રીતે લાગી ગયું ને પછી he was little he had fever like 99 જેટલો, you know. So they asked the family doctor, do we need the COVID test? You know, there are no test kit available. So in fact, the symptoms are really, really severe. Then only they do the test, because government doesn't have test now, COVID kit. So, doctor said, okay, we'll wait for a day. So next day again the fever persisted. The fever was on and he was feeling little better. So he said, we'll do now tomorrow. So 3 days he was breathless. He had the throat infection. He could not breathe, and they rushed him to the hospital. In car he died.
Oh, how old was he?
65.
Oh,
We were so it's like coming in the family. Like now people are we are hearing that this is happening, that is happening, but we never
but
heard
very
of our-
soon, very soon બધાને આવવાનું છે. એટલું casually બધા લે છે ને. No one is taking any precautions.
અમારે બી અહીંયા સેમ છે.
But
બીચ પર તો જોવા જેવું છે.
exactly, I got the images. I was shocked.
Yeah.
People are not taking it seriously at all.
But તને ખબર છે આપડી છે ને ધીરજનો હવે અંત આવી જાય છે. We can, I mean, people have just said that હવે જે થવાનું થશે, like that.
Yeah.
That kind
Yeah.
of, people are fed up of the situation.
Yeah. ઘરે બેસી બેસીને થાકી ગયા બધા.
Nipah, since 2 months I have not seen ground floor. I have not stepped down. I'm on the second floor since 2 months. Yes, because we have 5 cases in our building.
આરતી,
We had
શું ખબર આરતી?
Oh shit.
આરતી,
એનું બી મ્યુટ છે એનું.
શું ખબર? ભાવનગરમાં સિચ્યુએશન શું છે? અનમ્યુટ કર.
unmute
અનમ્યુટ
Left
કર
hand
તો તારો
side.
અવાજ આવે.
left hand side માં હોય.
ત્યાં વોલ્યુમ નું માઇક જેવું બટન હશે. માઇક જેવું બટન હશે. In the shape of a mic. મનીષભાઈ ને બોલાવ. આરતી is my first daughter. મારા સગા દીકરી છે ભાવનગર.
Oh, ભાવનગર. Okay.
Pinky, who is Ami Khara? Ami?
અમી મીનાબેનની
મીનાબેનની daughter.
Okay. She stays in States only.
યા બાજુમાં જ.
Oh.
એટલે આવી ગઈ.
I adopted her when she was ખબર નહીં કેટલા વર્ષની હતી 11 12 13.
Oh.
At that time I adopted.
Nipah, next adoption આપડા બેનું છે, ચિંતા કરમાં.
એટલે આપણે એડોપ્ટ કરી જ લીધા છે. લીગલી કરવાની જરૂર નથી, એમને થઈ જ ગયા છે એડોપ્ટ.
We don't want any materialistic attachment, only the emotional attachment.
આજનું સોંગ કેવું હતું?
Emotional adoption.
હે આજનું સોંગ કેવું હતું? આરતી
I also love this song.
એટલે મને સોંગ ગમે.
Heart touching.
Yeah.
Somewhere you can try to connect. Most of the Indian American women are like too much on that social bang. હું આ ગ્રુપમાં કેમ નથી, હું આ ગ્રુપમાં કેમ નથી, એવા બધા ઘણા છે આમાં. So I thought કે if I can bring that, કાં તો તર્કવાદી હોય કોઈનો નેચર, ખાલી આર્ગ્યુ જ કર્યા રાખે. I thought if I bring that little bit of scraping.
And it is true that insecurity really it's setting. People are saying it's a rat race. Yeah, I'm not, and being called, being invited. Oh my God! In Bombay, you should see that insecurity.
એમાં ત્યાં પણ એટલી જ છે.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, guys, got to go.
Pinky Siddhi આવી ગઈ? Pinky Siddhi આવી ગઈ કે નહીં? She's
3 મહિનાથી.
No, somebody was supposed to come. No, she said that.
આવી ગઈ.
આવીને ગઈ ને?
આવી ગઈ.
But she's gone back?
No. રિદ્ધિને આવીને 1 અઠવાડિયું થયું. 2 more weeks. 3 week માટે.
Yeah, I met
Raji, she didn't do today yoga?
આ બધા babies.
Hi.
હા યાર, બેબીઝ ના બધા લફડા હોય ને, બેબી અચાનક રોવા માંડે એટલે ભાગવું પડે. ના એને કર્યું, અડધું કર્યું હતું. હતી પાછળ.
Oh, I thought she was Nidhi. White t-shirt વાળી.
ના રિદ્ધિ હતી. અને એ લોકો ઉપર કરતા હતા કેમ કે પેલું ચેર પકડવાની બદલે એ લોકો પેલું રેલિંગ પકડીને કરતા હતા.
Okay.
આવ ને અહીંયા. આવ ને. હાય આરતી, મનીષભાઈ કેમ છો? આવ, ચાલ જલ્દી બધાને કહી દે કેમ છો? કેમ છો?
Hi, Saira. Hi, Saira.
કેમ છો? Say કેમ છો?
Saira, I love you.
Okay, tell them માસીની birthday હતી કે it's માસી birthday.
Saira, you look so cute in the video. You were looking so cute.
Thank you.
Saira, you were looking so cute in the video. You look the best.
કેમ છો? Good to see you.
બહુ જ સરસ કરાવે છે.
Thank you. ભાવનગરની શું ખબર? ભાવનગરના?
ભાવનગર is better.
Yeah, Aarti. Oh, it is getting better. આરતી તારો અવાજ
Yeah.
ક્લિયર છે. અચ્છા, બધું ખુલી ગયું ભાવનગરમાં?
હા,
ખુલી ગયો.
ગઈકાલથી.
અચ્છા, એટલે તમે બહાર રેસ્ટોરન્ટમાં જઈ શકો, સોશિયલાઇઝિંગ કરી શકો.
That will be from 8th June.
અચ્છા,
8th June. પણ ઓફિસ ને practice ને બધું ચાલુ થઈ ગયું.
ઓ વેરી ગુડ.
કેવું છે યુએસએ માં આ બધું બ્લેક્સ નું બધું બહુ વાંચ્યું આજે.
હા
Riots
રાયટ
બધા.
બધા બધી જગ્યાએ સ્પ્રેડ થયા છે. હવે રાયટ ઊંધો ટર્ન લઈ લીધો છે, લૂંટફાટમાં વયા ગયા છે. એટલે સ્કેરી. જોઈએ હવે શું થાય છે. ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી સેડ. જે થયું એ બી સેડ થયું.
હા, it's very sad, very sad.
પેલો બિચારો કે છે કે મને દબાઈ છે
હા.
છોડો હાથ. અને
અરે,
બીજા
we
ત્રણ-
saw the video.
હા, ઉપર 3 જણ બીજા ઊભા હતા.
હા, ઈ જ ને.
પેલાએ કીધું ને કે ભાઈ છોડી દે તું એને, જરાક તો એને બ્રીથ કરવા દે.
બહુ સેડ બની ગયું. કેવી રીતે એનું મોત થયું બિચારાનું.
વેરી સેડ. ચાલો, બધા મજામાં? પારુલ દીપકભાઈ?
પારુલ ફાઇન. પારુલ, દીપકભાઈ, દેવ બી અહીંયા જ છે અને ગુડ્ડુ બી 2 દિવસ પહેલા અહીંયા આવી ગઈ.
વેરી ગુડ.
So we
અચ્છા.
all are together. Family is here. The whole family is here.
યા બેસ્ટ પાર્ટ.
Best part.
મારે
તારે
same
કેમ
છે.
છે? Same.
હોલ ફેમિલી ટુગેધર.
Oh.
એકું
દેખાય,
એકું.
દીકરીઓ દેખાય છે.
હા, બહુ મજા આવે છે.
એને?
હા. વેદાક્ષી આવી ગઈ?
વેદાક્ષી બી આવી ગઈ છે. બતાવીશ, she is still sleeping.
હા, ફોટો મોકલ એના, વિડિયો મોકલ ને.
મોકલું.
હા.
Kaira looks very similar to you.
સાયરા.
Saira, sorry, Kaira. Kaira ઈ અમારા એક friend ની daughter.
અચ્છા.
Saira.
હા.
Okay.
હા, હું ચાલો બાય.
Bye.
બધાને હલો કરજો.
Ah.
ઓકે બાય.